We are at lesson 43 and we are doing tutorial worksheet. This is called worksheet tutorial questions lah. 34. Okay. This one is already in the system, so I don't want to say more. All right. Just to cover a little bit. Today is 9 September. We have only 20 days to PSLE. Quite near. Okay. And hang there will be over the journey very soon. 29 September is a Friday. So meaning to say, I don't get to see you on the 30th one, 30th no class, so you don't have to come. All right, so I just want to check, let you know for those who are on the Saturday class, that is today, you can actually choose to go for a P6 class during the weekday. Okay, go there. Don't miss and then say, I'm coming on the 30th September. No point. Don't, okay, go and book your whatever needed, attend the weekday classes. The weekday classes is not taken by me lah, so that's one thing I need to tell you. It's another teacher, but you're always welcome there. Don't worry. Okay. All right. So we are very near there, and I look forward to end of exam. Okay. Yeah, I know. To end of exam, I look forward, but that also says that I won't be seeing you again. That makes me very sad. Okay, I have lovely class. One of my favorite P6 class for Saturday, because the students here are more responsive, they are more ready. Okay, among all the classes, my P6 is one of the most active. So yeah, for people who are taking PSLE, not people, it's all of you taking LC this coming Friday. If I remember clearly, it's on a Friday 15th. All right, so for those who are taking your LC, sleep early the night before, okay? Get ready. And I wish you all the best in your listening to comprehension for that day. All right, okay? Hang there. All will be over in about some days. The question 1, 3 boys collected bottles for recycling. Jill collected 2M, which is half as what Kelson has collected. So that means Kelson is 1 unit. And then for Jill, it will be 2 units. Right? So Timmy collected 9 bottles more than Kelson. Okay, give me a minute. Participants, anyone not here or just went out? Let me check. So, all in, right? Okay. Okay, so what here it will be, I'm going to write them into a column. Okay. Yeah, I know some of you have already written there in the response. I have J, I have K, and the last person I have who are total 3 boys. 3 boys, Jill, Kelson, Timmy. Okay, that's 3 person. So who has 1 time and who has 2 times? Jill. Jill has 2 times here. So I will say this is 2 units. Kelson will have 1 unit. Okay, and Timmy collected 9 more than Kelson, meaning 1 unit plus 9 for this. All right, so how many bottles did they collect all together when Jill has 2M? So when Jill has 2M, Kelson must have 1M. Okay, but I don't write 1M. This is M plus 9. So for me to add up the total, I have 2M plus M. Sorry, this one is 2 units. Kelson is half, Jill is half, right? Jill is half. Let me, I think there is some error here. Jill is 2M, correct? Which is half as much as Kelson. So Kelson must be 4M. Some error here. So he must have 4M plus 9 for Timmy. So you have 2M plus 4M and 4M plus 9. And that gave me a total of 10M plus 9 for this. 10M plus 9. Okay. All right. Number 2. A swimming club has 100 male, 50 females, 10% of male, and 40% of female they are students. What percentage of the members are students? So I have a male group, I have a female group, and I have 100 in numbers. So 10% will be students. Okay, then these are non-students, which is 10%. So 10% obviously is 10. Non-students will be 90. So for female, 10% are students. Okay, 10 students. 40%, sorry, 40%. So I need to find 40% times 50. Then it will be 20. So in form of number is 20. So for non, it will be the rest for is 30. So 150. What percentage are students? So with my students, I need to have here 10, I have 20, so 30. And for the total, I will have 150. Okay. So what I do need to do have here is, how many are there? 30, which is 10 plus 20 equals to 30. 100 plus 50 is 150. So in terms of percentage is 30 here times 100. Okay. 20% for them. Okay. Okay, no worries. Thank you. Yeah. Let me check because there are responses. Yes, jump to. Yeah, Tommy, thank you. Galen, 谢谢. Yeah, when you, this shows that you are listening and very good. Okay, thank you, Galen, for all the steps. Yes. Yeah, I'm aware, no worry. Okay, so let's take a look at question number 3. It's about graph. Okay. Number 3, it says that the bar graph shows the number of colored highlighters by the shop, and they show the prices here. And the first question he wants is the fraction of the highlighters that were black only. And then he wants the simplest form. Black highlighters. Highlighters got black one, very unique. So let's take a look at this. What do you have for the black one? I think that one black. I got to go and search for this. Before we do the all this, we must actually have the data first. Okay. We write down all the data. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one will be 55. Okay. Then this one will be 75, 80, 85 for this reason. Then this one is 25, 30, and 35. So all these data are already being written down, and he wants the black one is 25. So let's take a look at 25. And what is the total number here? Just add them all. 55 plus 85, 35 plus 25. Make sure you have the 100% for, no. They are looking for fraction that is in the simplest form. So take a look. 55, 85, 35, 25. The total will be 200. Divide by 25 is 1. Divide by 25 is 8. Okay. So it's 1 out of 8. Okay, let's check the response. Yeah. Thank you, Serena. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Nina. Yes, quite good responses from many of them. Yeah. Okay. Next question. Next question says, from the sale of the highlighters, which color highlighters collected the least amount of money? What was the amount? Give the answers in the following way. That means in form of color and in form of dollar sign. Okay, let's check it out. Minute. Okay. All right. So now the question is we need to go back to the graph. Okay. So you have 55 green, and then we have blue 85, and then we have red at 35, and then we have black at 25. So in fact, if you come and think of it, I want to work only on the red and the black. The reason is because they are quite near in numbers, okay? So in form of dollar, lah, we go and find 25 times 3. Then this will be 75. Okay, so since already like done, so I'll just write it down, 85. So all this will be the value of the highlighters. So this one is the least sum of the money that costs. Okay? Yeah, thank you. Then after that, you will put there as rate $42. Okay? Wait, rate and $42. Okay? See previous slides. Okay? Next question. The bar graph shows the number. No, why this one? No, this one is the answer. Okay. So Charles and Keith started jogging at the same point along the road. They did not change the speed throughout. After 45 minutes, he was halfway, but he was 450 behind. So, yeah, let's take a look. So probably I'll put Charles here, then I'll put Keith here. Okay. So 45 minutes, Charles will be here. So the time taken is 3/4 hours. Straight away, I put it there. And this is halfway. And Keith was 450 behind. So Keith could be somewhere here, not halfway, but lesser than halfway when he moved here. The time taken is also 3/4 hour. All right. And this one is 450 meters. Okay. Now, Charles reached the end of point 4 minutes before Keith. So when he come in here, he will need another 3/4 hour. So Keith will come back here, another, and then reach this station. So upon reaching here, he will have to wait 4 minutes for Keith. So meaning to say, Keith will take 3/4 hour plus another 3/4 hour plus another 4 minutes to complete the journey. To complete the journey. 3/4 hour for this, right? So you can see that for every part of the half journey, he will be 400 meter away from him, right? So in total, when Charles completed the whole journey, Keith is 900 meters behind. Ouch. Okay, Keith will be 900 meters behind. And this time taken will be 4 minutes, which is 4 out of 60. So you have your distance. So they want meters in minute. Sorry, so don't need to change. You will just leave it in minute first. I think, yeah, I'll leave it in minute because I just realized that they don't need speed. Okay. So when Keith is 900 meters behind, the time taken will be, so T equals to 900, right? So what will happen to the speed here? Time taken will be 4 minutes. So for him to finish it, the speed itself, it will